The tips for your first road trip. Ensure that your car is in good order and check fuel. A day before your road trip, sleep sufficiently to enjoy the trip. Carry a neck pillow or a comfort pillow to avoid back pain or neck pain. Carry all the necessary items like a flashlight, map, etc. Pile up a few stocks of snacks to avoid many pit stops. Check the weather report beforehand and carry the essential items. Pull off and take breaks when driving for long hours. Ignore phone calls and checking the phone to avoid a mishap. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.